Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon messy bun in less than 5 minutes. To start, we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear and pop that top section into a ponytail. Clip this on top of the head for later, and we're going to secure the bottom half into a ponytail as well. Add some texture spray all over that bottom ponytail and pop another clear elastic band about halfway down. Then make a hole just above that elastic band with your fingers and then pass those ends through that hole to create a couple of twists. Next, gently use your fingers to pinch and pull the outside of each of those twists to make them more voluminous. The bigger you can get these, the better it looks. Then add another elastic band towards the end of the ponytail, and again we're going to make a hole just above it, pop a couple of fingers through, pass the ends to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create your twists. Then gently pinch and pull at the sides. Release that top ponytail down and add a bit of spray wax. I'll pop all the products I've used in the description below. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more volume and texture. And we're going to do the same as the last ponytail, so pop an elastic band halfway down. Create a hole above it and pop a couple of fingers through. Grab the end of the ponytail, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole. Then pinch and pull your twist apart. Add one last elastic band at the bottom of the ponytail and we're going to flip the ends through one more time, so create your hole. Pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Don't forget to pinch and pull for volume. So starting on the top ponytail, I'm going to take that elastic band in the middle and I'm gently going to roll this towards the head, aiming it for the right hand side. Then secure to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Grab the tail end and again roll it towards the head so you're hiding the elastic band against the scalp, and secure with a few bobby pins. Do the same with the bottom ponytail, so roll it towards the head on the left hand side and secure with pins. Then take that end section and we're going to roll this towards the head on the right hand side to create a nice round bun shape, and secure with as many pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.